Today, I'm going to show you how to activate the comment function in your Telegram channel. If you've ever wondered how to let your audience chime in and create conversations directly beneath your posts, this tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to turn a one-way broadcast channel into a lively, interactive space where your followers can share thoughts and feedback on every post. Let's dive in. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Telegram channel where you plan to enable comments. Just a quick note here, make sure you have the right permissions to edit the channel. Typically, you need to be the owner or an admin. Once you're inside, you'll see the channel feed, the familiar list of posts. Now, to get into the channel's control room, tap the channel name right at the top of the screen. This will pull up the channel's profile page where you can see stats, members, and all the backend controls. Next, look for a small pencil or edit icon, usually located at the upper right corner. Go ahead and tap it. This is your gateway to customizing everything about your channel, from the description and profile photo to more advanced settings. On this settings page, your target is an option called Discussion. Sometimes it's right on the main screen, or it might be tucked into sections labeled Basic or Advanced, so don't worry if you need to scroll or tap around a bit to find it. Think of the discussion feature as a bridge. It connects your broadcast channel to a group where actual conversations can happen. Now, when you tap into discussion, you have two main options. If you already have a group set up for your community, maybe one that's already buzzing with members, simply select Link Existing Group. This way, all the comments on channel posts will automatically flow into that group, keeping everything organized and in one place. But let's say you're starting fresh, or maybe you want to keep comments separate from your main group chat. In that case, choose Create a New Group. Telegram will take care of the technical stuff for you. It'll create and link a group dedicated to discussions for your channel automatically. You can customize this group however you wish later. Take a second here because this part shapes how your audience will interact. Using an existing group is great for centralizing all talks, while a new group is perfect if you want moderation and comments to happen in a focused space. Now, once you've linked or created your group, don't forget to confirm your changes. Look for a checkmark sometimes at the top right or a save button depending on your device. Tap it to lock everything in. If you don't confirm, nothing changes, so this step is important. So what's going to happen next? Once you head back to your channel, you'll notice a brand new Leave a Comment button at the bottom of each post. This is like opening the door for your audience. When people tap this button, they're whisked over to that linked discussion group, right at the relevant thread, where they can share their reactions, ask questions, or just chat. And here's a cool feature. Those replies won't just live in the group, they'll also show up as threaded comments right under the original channel post, making it super easy for everyone to follow the conversation without getting lost. And that's it, you've just given your channel a voice, a way for members to interact directly with your content and each other. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any bumps or have questions about setting up discussion groups. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on tips like this that take your Telegram game to the next level. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.